That's right. They found him in Mexico, Joyce, and just recently brought him back here to Milwaukee. Today, for the first time in 16 years, we saw the face of the man who the FBI called one of their top 10 most wanted. After running for 16 years from police, the FBI, and a slew of investigators,
if Mr. Juarez-Corro wanted to answer to these charges, he had years and years in which to do so.
Octaviano Juarez-Corro, one of the FBI's most wanted fugitives, is finally behind bars and in court for the South Shore mass shooting.
He pulled out his gun and in front of numerous witnesses who know him, including his ex-wife, he executed people.
An assistant district attorney pushing for a $10 million bail replayed the scene police laid out from May 29, 2006. Witnesses and surviving family members told police Juarez-Corro confronted his ex-wife at a family picnic in South Shore Park, then became upset she wouldn't let him see their daughter. Police say he ordered her and 4 other people to the ground, shooting them all. His ex-wife, who survived, got 2 bullets to the chest.
We heard what appeared to be fireworks at the time, and when we turned around, there was a man standing over these people by the picnic table, and he was shooting them.
Pushing back on the ADA's recommendation for maximum cash bail Wednesday, Juarez-Corro's public defender argued he technically has no previous criminal records here and could be let out with an ankle monitor.
There was no criminal record because Mr. Juarez-Corro is a working man. He is a family man. Mr. Juarez-Corro recognized that the allegations in this complaint are very serious, and he has expressed he has no intentions of leaving Milwaukee.
The court commissioner ultimately setting bail at $1 million.
Some 16 years on the run. Caroline, he's facing multiple counts of intentional homicide and could spend the rest of his life in prison.
That's right, and he is still in jail tonight, Joyce, and his public defender says he does have family here in Milwaukee. The court ordered him not to have any contact with the victims or their family members, any of the surviving victims as well, and he is due in court again next week.